Description: formulated to hydrate, normal to the driest hair types. Benefits: repairs, strengthens to leave hair healthy, shiny, smooth. Seals in moisture, resulting in beautiful soft hair. Suggested use: work through mid-lengths to ends of hair. Leave in 3 to 4 minutes, then rinse. Use with Keratherapy Moisture Shampoo. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for colored hair. Could have purchased this at the salon but really hated the price. Found these much bigger bottles on Amazon and love that I found them. Will purchase again in the future. Helps keep keratin treatment going for longer. Great for keeping your keratin lasting. Doesn't smell amazing, just okay. But not bad.